Good morning, students. Myself, JVN Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today, I'm going to deliver a lecture on anecdotal record, which is from the course Assessment of Learning and for the program BSc B.Ed 4th semester. So, in last class, we have discussed about the rating scale, which is observation tool. This anecdotal record is also is a observation tool or evaluation tool. So in earlier class I already defined that what is anecdotal record. Anecdotal record is that which describe the short incident of the student's activity in their school, in his school. So as definition suggests by the different writers here, R. Lewis called anecdotal record as anecdotal record is a report of a significant episode in the life of a student. And by J.D. Villiard, he described that anecdotal record is a simple statement of an incident deemed by the observer to be significant with respect to a given pupil. A.J. Jones declared that it is defined as a on the spot description of some incident, episode, or occurrence that is observed and recorded as being of possible significance. When these reports are gathered together, they are known as the anecdotal record. Now, here are some characteristics of making good anecdotal record. First, anecdotal record gives the date, place, and situation in which the action occurred. This is called the setting. So we have to work like that. It describes the action of the individual people or child, the reaction of the other people involved, and the responses of the former of these reactions. In next point, it quotes what is said to the individual and by the individual during the action. It states mood cues, postures, gestures, voice qualities, and facial expressions, which serves as a cue to help understand how the individual felt. It does not provide interpretation of his feeling but only the cues by which a reader may judge what they were. Next characteristics is as the description is inclusion of an extensive enough to cover the episode. The action or conversation is not left incomplete and unfinished but is followed through the to the point where an aspect of a behavior moment in the life of the individual is supplied. Now here are some suggestions for the improving quality of the anecdotal record. As Brandt in 1972 has given following suggestion for improving the scientific quality of the anecdotal record. And what information we have to add for the best quality of the anecdotal record. First, we can observe that write an anecdote soon after viewing the incident. Include the basic action statement of the chief person in the episode, that is what he did or said. Include enough setting detail to indicate where and what the behavior occurred, under what condition, and who are involved in that particular incident. Responses or actions of others to chief person's behavior should be included. Next, use direct quotations wherever possible in order to preserve the flavor of how things were started. Anecdotal record should preserve the sequence of actions and response of the original behavior incident. All incidents should be in the sequence wise. Next, in 7 point, anecdote should be objective, accurate, complete as far as important details are concerned. Good good literary style, correct grammar and spelling, and even complete sentence are in consequential. Words chosen should be precise and unambiguous. Nouns and verbs primarily subjective terminology exemplified by most objective, and adverbs should be used separately. In research, resources are sufficient use to of tape recorder and typist to transcribe anecdotal into written form generally increase the amount of the detail that can be included over simple stenographic of handwritten recording. So these were the some suggestions. Now here are four types of anecdotal records. In first type, that contain objective description of a people's behavior recorded from time to time. In second type, we include the description of behaviors with some comment or interpretation. In third type, we include the record of people's behavior, comments by the observer, and the treatment offered to the people. And in fourth type description, we include people's behavior along with the comment as well as suggestion for future treatment of the students. So in that way we distinguish all these four types. Now what are the uses of anecdotal record? Here are some uses, like anecdotal record is useful to the guidance worker and teacher as it present dynamic picture about the people in different situation. By this anecdotal record, teachers can know and they understand the people on the basis of description of happening of students' life. And these records enables teachers and guidance worker to understand the personality pattern of students. By this record, teachers enable and guidance worker to study and understand the adjustment pattern of the students. These records also helpful for teachers and guidance worker in assisting the students for solving their problems and difficulties. And these also a better means of data collection which is helpful to improve relationship with teachers and peers, etc. Now here are some limitations for anecdotal record that are: these records are of no value if the proper care is not taken by the teachers in the context of data collection about students' behavior. These anecdotal records are of little use if objectivity in data collection is not followed by maintained strictly. In some cases, anecdotal records are merely confined to exceptional children, as a result of which average students are seriously neglected. And these records are is a techniques of data collection for the purpose of guidance services, which provides some partial information about the student. And the anecdotal record is of no use if the incident and its description is not properly recorded. So we have to record all the incidents correctly, accurately, and time to time we have to record all the incidents and in a sequence wise. Means we have to uh, give all the information correctly in that record. And if the preparation of the anecdotal record is nothing but the unnecessary wastage time and money. Thank you. That was my lecture about the anecdotal record. I hope you satisfy with this lecture. So let's if you have any queries, then give comment in comment box. I'll resolve in the live session. Thank you.